Alright guys, hello and welcome to another RUFFNAUTS video. I'm going to be hatching some more eggs. I got this egg, which looks cool, these two eggs, which aren't very cool, and this one that looks like a turd. So, let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first egg, let's see what it hatches into. And it's a chickie. Alright, now I already have every bird except for like one. So next egg is another chickie. What are the chances? Ayoop. Alright. Now our next egg is another bird. Alright. Now finally our next egg is Scorchy. This is a dragon. Wow. So, yeah, that's pretty Sigma. A dragon, a little baby turkey, and then two chickies. That's really cool. Alright, and so that concludes it. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and comment down below which egg hatch was your favorite.